Welcome to our Shipshape home. Come on in. It's a tight space, so be careful. Take a look around. You can see everything in one view, basically. Going with our Shipshape philosophy, everything in here you'll find has a function. So one of the things that we struggled with in this space is, do we do a sofa or do we do chairs? We felt like with the sofa we couldn't do an island, and we felt very strongly that we wanted an island. So we went with the chairs, and what we found is it really is a great place for conversation. People are able to engage. You get to enjoy the beauty of the fireplace as well as the beautiful views. So here we are in the bedroom. How are we going to fit everything in here with this king-size bed? Where are we going to get a dresser? Well, why don't we build a dresser into the closet? Here's our dresser drawers. So a really cool feature in here is this reclaimed wood wall. This came from a barn in New Braintree, Mass. And we really wanted to show it off. So with the Stratton bed we bought from Pottery Barn, we're really able to accentuate the wood wall and see the entire thing. Another piece that we added to it is the compass rose, following that whole nautical beachy theme that we have going on in the space. I took the same wood wall pieces and I cut them down, put them on brackets, and then made little mini shelves. We also added electrical outlets that have USBs so that you can charge your cell phone and not take up any additional space with a power plug. I can make meals so much faster here because everything is so small and so tight. So I cut here, and then I'm washing here, and then I'm cooking here. I literally, within 3 steps, I'm able to make everything happen, make the magic happen, as I like to call it. So one of the cool things that we feel like we added was this window. The window is on sliders so that it can be closed off in case someone wants to go in and take a nap, but also opens up so that we can see the water from the bed, which is really neat. We made this barn door ourselves to keep it super original. We added a rail system so that the door will slide this way to close as opposed to opening into the space. We also needed a place to hang towels, so we decided to use nautical rope as our towel holders. This piece of reclaimed wood was just literally something that we cut down. We added a tide and time clock. This is a gimbal. This is something that you would actually see on a sailboat, and it moves on a gimbal so that when the sailboat's rocking, it goes with it, kind of going with that whole ship shape on the water theme that we like so much in our design. And then this is a barometer so that when Debbie Doppler, is my nickname, wants to know what the weather's doing, I can come over here and take a quick look at the barometer.